Yeah, please go ahead. Yes.
He is leading, contesting from jail, still leading.
Not
He has
surprising
won
at all.
5 elections in the past, not much of a surprise.
You know-
Anand Singh, when it is about Bahubalis, they are still relevant in Bihar politics.
And Mokama is a
Osama
very
Shah,
interesting story.
Danapur,
Gaurav, you traveled there, and I thought it was interesting. Mokama used to have a Bata factory, closed down. It used to have a McDowell factory till Prohibition came and it closed down.
It had a rail coach factory. It's the railway wagons used to be made there.
That also shut
you
down.
know, and that also shut down.
And a historic place,
And
goes
it's-
back to the freedom movement, Munger, Mokama.
Absolutely, absolutely. You know, you had Praful Chaki in the freedom struggle. He, after killing, being involved in the killing of the British district magistrate, he killed himself
अच्छा
at the
तो ये
Mokama
बताओ,
railway station.
Anand Kumar Singh for you, Bahubali or Robin Hood?
No,
What did you come straight answer.
For the people there, he's a true Robin Hood. He is an absolute Robin Hood. किसी के घर में शादी है, किसी का एडमिशन है, कोई काम है, you reach his house और खाना वो हो जाएगा. The way Pappu Yadav does in Purnia, and these Bahubalis, they are immensely popular amongst the people. There's also the fear
Again, the
factor.
real politician of Bihar.
Yes, Preeti.
You know, because you're talking about the Bahubali culture, look at it, Rajdeep. Danapur, RJD, Reetlal Roy, Bahubali leading. You look at Lalganj, Munna Shukla's daughter, Shivani Shukla from the RJD leading. Anand Kumar leading. You look at Shahabuddin's son leading. All
Just let me
Bahubalis in
quickly
the
tell
game.
our viewers, this is our map of the
No, I
muscle men.
understand, but the legacy is that.
Okay, just a minute. This is the map of our serious criminal cases. Every party, कोई बचा नहीं है. हमारे आदमी चारों तरफ है. हमारे आदमी इंडिया टुडे पर भी चारों तरफ है. Suesha is joining us from outside the BJP office. Suesha in Patna. As the celebrations began in Delhi, the BJP has made it clear there will be no celebrations because of the Red Fort attack. But have the celebrations begun where you are in Patna, Suesha?
Rajdeep, in fact, seems like a similar message has been given in the Patna office as well. So the celebrations in that sense are kind of muted. But one thing is for sure, I spoke to the state BJP president just a short while ago, Dilip Jaiswal, who said that we were expecting this. We knew this will happen all along. We knew it from the first phase itself. And which is why about 500 kgs of laddus and about 5 lakh rasgullas that were ordered yesterday itself. The laddus, of course, are being distributed. But in the sense of how we usually see the BJP celebrate, that is not really happening. In fact, just a short while ago, when I also spoke to Dilip Jaiswal, he said that, and at that time, BJP was emerging like the big brother. So when I asked that, you know, what really the dynamic will be, and he said it doesn't matter who has the larger share of the pie, whether it is the JDU or the BJP. Fact is that the NDA is winning, and that is most important. And once again, to what factors, you know, that have played on the people's mind, he said that it is good governance. That is what Nitish Kumar has always led with, and that is exactly why the people have chosen him yet again. Once again, reiterating that the government will be formed under the leadership of Nitish Kumar, but largely heavy media contingent here. A landslide victory for the NDA. Dilip Jaiswal, who left just a short while ago. Now, more leaders will be coming in a short while from now. But yes, in terms of celebrations, rather muted in comparison to what we usually see. Poster war once again was interesting in terms of, you know...
So, Yesha, are there some in the BJP saying that now it's time for them to have their chief minister? If this is a mandate, of course, right now JDU has 2 seats more than BJP in Leeds. But is BJP also looking at their own chief minister over the next 5 years?
That is exactly what I was trying to get from them, and they continue to reiterate that it will be Nitish Kumar. The government will be formed under Nitish Kumar's leadership, and there are no two ways about that, Gaurav, is what the BJP is saying again and again. So like I said, that their key leaders were here. They've just left because the victory is out there. The landslide victory for them is out there. So they will be arriving here back, but they say it again and again that this is the good governance, Sushasan of Nitish Kumar that has led the people to choose him again. And this is the victory of the NDA. It doesn't matter who the big brother is, but they are happy about NDA's victory and Nitish Kumar's leadership that will lead the way forward in Bihar.